Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna continue working on my 2018 GMC Sierra 1-ton 3500 heavy duty, and what I need to do is completely disassemble the firewall section, which involved taking dashboard out, steering wheel out, some of the electronics out, if possible seats. If not, just leave them there for now and deal with them later on, because all the main wiring got burned, and that wiring comes from engine bay all the way to the seats. So I'll probably have to somehow find the wires on the plug to move the seats in order to take them out. But as you can see, the weather is not great. I want to sandblast it before any rain starts, so that's why I need to get the dashboard completely out, take whatever there, so I can sandblast it and be ready for painting. I need to catch up on the bed. Obviously I don't want to lose a bed, but I'm already behind the schedule. We'll see how everything goes, but I'm pretty sure I'll be close. We'll see. Now let's just start working on the cab. Let's start disassembling stuff. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribe. There's awesome stuff going on my channel. You don't want to miss it. So I got the dashboard out and steering wheel and some other plastics. Put them there for now. You can see there's not a whole lot going on. And that's the whole dashboard with the wiring harnesses, which I'll have to take apart and redo everything. That's exactly what I was talking about, to take the dashboard out to inspect the firewall from inside, and I was about 90% sure that firewall from inside is burnt and needs to be either sandblasted or sanded and repaint, and otherwise it would stink. Plus I have to replace this pad. What is it? I don't know, it's sound deadening pad or some fire protection slightly, I don't know, maybe some heat protector. In order to remove that, I need to continue disassemble. I need to disassemble everything over here on the driver's side. This brake pedal, gas pedal, the connections for the wiring. Also have to take this heater unit out, and I don't know, it says Bose over here, probably amplifier, or I don't know what is it. And somehow have to figure it out how to get this front seats out. I kinda doesn't wanna play with the plugging. I was kinda thinking maybe to fold this carpet over the seats, cover it, to be able to work over here and paint it. But I guess those seats needs to be taken out anyway, which honestly I don't want to spend time on taking the seats out because the weather is getting shitty, so I need to continue work on this firewall. So now let's get everything disassembled, take this pad out, and see how bad is it, how much work I need to put into it. Tough life of the creator. It's always make sure the camera is on. Again, as I post my camera over there set up, I forgot to turn it on to see how I got all this. But you guys can see this side has got burned pretty good also. There's no silicone. Now I need to clean out all this area right here, and top section of the firewall, then move to those sides, basically prepare everything for paint, and hopefully I can paint it today. It's already 2 o'clock and I don't know if I am gonna be able to make it. Oh, what's up? What's up, boy? Falcon. Anyway, let's get back to work. That's it, guys. I finally did it. As you can see, the firewall and the cap, it's sandblasted inside out. Looks good. I like how it came out. Long process, yes, sure, but it's worth it. I tried different methods and so far sandblasting works the best for me. You can see everything looks awesome. This side is sandblasted, finished it. Inside it looks good also. Everything is sandblasted. I'm gonna have to add that sealer, not the sealer, silicone or 3M stuff to seal those sticks from this side. I mean, I like how it came out. I really do. It's nice. This yellow stuff not getting out, so I think I can live with it. Everything looks good. This truck coming along really good, and November 1st is really close. I'm actually 1 day behind, or half a day. Today I supposed to finish painting this cap, and tomorrow I should start disassembling, but instead of disassembling tomorrow, I'm gonna be painting the cap. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. As always, comment, like if you like the video, share it with your friends, family, so our YouTube family gets bigger. Subscribe if you haven't. Also follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv to see inside scoop there before YouTube. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next one.